Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Payda and today's video is going to be another Zara haul. Yeah, excited to show you some of the pieces that I picked up from Zara. Some more casual pieces. Well, casual in my sense. Let's get into the haul and then you see what I bought. Something a bit more fun. I love this with my hair. It's so gorgeous. It's £45, but I love it. I love this. This is what I want to keep. Look at that back. And I love yellow too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is incredible. I want this. I got this in a size, I believe, small, but we can double check. Size small, yeah. £46, yeah. It's cute, it's short, but it's covered up. Like, look at the front, it's completely covered up. You can't see anything. I've gone braless and I'm fine. It's a little short, but like not too much. And then you got the back and you're like walking down the street. I would probably even think about getting a back chain as well. Oh, I love those. This would be amazing on holiday, or even on a date when you wanna be you don't want him to be looking at your boobs, but you still want to be sexy. You know what I mean? If you walk with this on a date and then he sees your back when you're going to the ladies' room, love, love, love. Okay, so here's this two-piece. I love it. How gorgeous. I love pink and I love polka dot pink. I now have two items, two dresses that are polka dot pink. It's really, really cute. I love the pockets and the top, and I would just wear it with probably Adidas or white Air Forces, any white trainers. Just a cute outfit that you can wear shopping or exploring a new city. That's where I'm going to be wearing my outfits now. I've decided I'm going to be going on holiday as many times as possible, every 3 months, every 2 months, even every month, if my money's right. And I'm going to wear my outfits on holiday. The trousers were £33 and I got them in a size small. The top was £30 and I got that in a size, let me see, small as well. Yeah, really, really nice. I like that it has pockets as well in the front. And then, no. Oh, and in the back as well. It's not like a jean fabric. If the fabric is very light, so it's breathable, you could wear it in the summertime. British summer, if it's okay. And then like September, June, July, you know. No, let's say September, October, May, June. You know, when it's just getting warmer, but it's not quite there yet. I also got this really, really colourful piece. My only hatred for Zara, this is like a nice satin material, this is like a chiffon material. Why? Why can't you just be both same material? Why you gotta be different? Because now it looks weird when I'm walking in public. On the picture it's gonna look fine, but in public it's gonna look weird. So it's gonna be a return. Just because you did that. Yeah? Zara, how you feel? You're losing money? Well, you're not really. Well, you kind of are, but not really. But kind of. I also, I'm not really feeling the ends here. Oh, they have to be like that. It just feels like I'm going to be eating pasta and they're going to be like getting pasta sauce and tomato sauce. This is £50. This is £50. The chiffon is not worth £50, Zara. Come on. Give my money back because this is not a £100 outfit. I'm sorry to say. As gorgeous as it looks and as fierce as I look, this ain't worth it. It does have pockets and yeah, it's a bit frumpy, this. I know it is a good iron though, but I am not ironing this if I'm going to just return it back. Oh, I absolutely love this piece. I hope you can see the bottom. I'm going to bring it up. Can you see that bottom embroidery? How gorgeous. Look at that blue. It's giving me Greece vibes. I just want to go. I want to be away from here. The weather in the UK has been interesting. In the morning, get good cool weather. In the daytime, it's nice and warm, like 20 something degrees, 23. And then in the evening, it gets a bit rainy. But I just want to be in the sun, like 30 degrees. I got this in an extra small. I think I would like to size up to a small. It's really, really nice. Simple, but I love the embroidery at the bottom. Just something different. I like the belt as well, just a hinge in the waist. Here's the back. Just a cute little piece. It is a bit grown, I will say that. Maybe not so much for the young girls, but it depends on your style. I like to dress a bit more mature. It is £60 extra small, my size. You could probably get away in waiting for it in the sales. You may struggle to get it in the UK. I feel like the Zara sales in Europe are much better. So if you go on holiday in Europe, July, August, I know, crazy months, you probably will find this. I used to find really amazing items in Greece with Zara sales. So, very, very nice. The colour, yes. With the hair, yes. The actual execution, no. It looks like I'm gonna jump out of a plane, and you know how they have the, I don't know what they call it, like the skydiving thing, the suits. It looks like that. I know it's a one size fits all. Maybe with a nice belt, okay, a belt to hinge in the waist, it wouldn't be so bad. But no. I love the color though. It's gorgeous. The material is nice satin. But on the back is cute with this tab effect. That's really cool. But it's the size. Look at that. Like, why are you giving me these hips? I already have enough hips. It is £60. Oh, it's a medium? I'm pretty sure it was one size. So, because my mom could fit in this. And the material is even stretchy as well. With the gold, yes. With the hair, But come on, it's not realistic for me. If it had just been like a nice straight, nice satin, yeah, because the colour, so nice. Okay, last but not least, this beautiful chocolate number. It's got a little slit at the back, which I love, makes it easy to walk in. I love this, it looks so nice on my skin colour. However, I have something quite similar, so it'd be a no for me, but for other people I think this is gorgeous. And I like the fact that it has elastic at the back, gold detail, gold earrings, nails, shoes, and quite nice simple makeup. And I think this would be nice. I would probably straighten my hair and do like a swirl, or like a ponytail, and then like, you know, curl the ends. I think that'd be quite cool. But yeah, this is nice. Off shoulder. I got in a size small. It doesn't say the price. Pretty sure it's probably £60, maybe £50. Material is very, very good. Nice, thick. Probably not something that I would wear in the summertime unless it's evening. Oh, I can just imagine a cute little day and then there's purple lights. Oh, it'd be so beautiful. Like a roof terrace. Anyway, I don't have a boyfriend. I am looking, but like, I want a Christian guy and I also want to have a good job. So, you know, those two requirements make it the pool very small. But you know, we just gonna keep pushing, keep looking nice, you know. Hopefully if I look nice, he may see me. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have a good day and I'll see you in another video soon.